All right, so we've got these 5/16 or 8 millimeters, and I'm trying to crack them loose by hand because I don't want these things to be stripped out. Looks like there's one back here, there's one on the other side, and one over here, and there's one here, and there's one here. This is a 10 millimeter holding this bracket on. So we'll switch sockets for that. And then I'll get the ratchet in here and we'll take these all out with the ratchet. Some of these just stay in the cover. You just pull them up enough. Let's see if I can lift this up. If I took these out enough. I may not have. All right, let's take them all the way out, I guess, huh?
Yeah, maybe they come out.
Pretty long threads on them.
Yeah, no kidding.
Okay.
There you go.
Holy
mousey.
Nest we found
Hey,
in there,
hey.
huh? All right, that is disgusting. I hate to see that shit. All right, we'll get the barrel and we're gonna pull that rat's nest out, and I hope we don't see anything go running.
He's getting evicted. Someone's gonna bite Steve's finger. I would have used the vacuum.
Got a little sponge filter here, and they started chewing on it.
Did they? Okay, I didn't even see that in there.
Yeah.
Throw that crap in the way.
Don't touch this without gloves, and don't breathe this shit in.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
So, I mean, to be honest with you, it could use probably an air filter.
And we got a new air filter to go in.
Slide it in, and it just seeps down in place.
Nice.
Now these screws, when you tighten these down, you don't want to strip these out. Get them all started. We're going to run them down with the electric ratchet, but then we're going to tighten them by hand. Because you don't want to strip these out. And, there's a big pocket that was in there for that mouse nest, and, they find a way in. They'll come up through here, and they'll walk their way right down in there. And, that's a nice spot for them. So, we find them on the tops of the engines a lot.
Yeah, today was 1 degree out heading into the garage. It's supposed to be -20 wind chill today. It's perfect for the beach, right?
I thought we lived in California. We don't? Oh, Jesus. Yeah, very cold. All right, we're going to tighten these back, snug them back up with this, and then we'll hand tighten them. As soon as I feel some resistance, I'm stopping.
We're just using this gun to make it go a little bit quicker there.
Yeah, go out of thread. You can't over tighten these, you'll just strip the plastic out. Doesn't look like anyone's been in here for a while.
The mice have.
Yeah, they certainly have. All right, so let's snug this. We've got our 10 millimeter here. Sit this back in place. Okay, that's snug. Snug, 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 snug. Okay, I'm doing all my final hand tightening by hand. Okay, you just want them snug down. This is the first time we've looked at this vehicle, so we did a complete inspection on it. Did an oil change, did the tune up on it, checked all the front end, suspension, lights, wipers, just to give it a good look over, and it's in great shape. There's no fuel filters on these anymore. And whereas it's really cold in the winter, we're gonna run some dry gas in it and do some fuel injection cleaner, and it should be good for the winter.